It's really nice to match. Hey, everybody, it's Valentine's Day. So that's to you and yours. I hope everybody's fantastic. I do want to talk about real estate here in Santa Clarita Valley. I know I've been putting up quite a few updates talking about the market, 20 questions that most buyers and sellers have when it comes to the Santa Clarita market. We did post that up at First Responder Realtor on YouTube, my YouTube channel, so you'll be able to see all of that information just to talk about the local market. If we compare December's numbers to January's, we are seeing some pretty substantial price decreases in the real estate market. Whether that's going to continue is going to depend on the buyer trend as we watch develop over the next couple months. But currently, it seems that the things happening in the government are definitely having impacts here in Southern California, and some people say positively and negatively. As far as the real estate world goes, we are still closing just about the same number of real estate listings, and those price reductions aren't actually reductions in overall prices. They're actually price reductions where sellers wanted to get a particular amount for their property. Now they're willing to take less. That less number happens to still fall in line with comparable value that we saw in the final quarter of 2024. So we're not seeing these massive price reductions where sellers have to panic. But out of the chute, good advice or best advice would be for those sellers to actually price their properties to sell instead of trying to overshoot the market and go higher than actual comparable value. The best thing for a seller to do to find that information is to get that local agent, because most of the syndication systems are actually gamed to set you up. You put in your housing information, and if in fact you've been looking online for any amount of time, maybe for pricing or values, the systems know that. They're very, very smart. So what they end up doing is they give you a number that doesn't match the actual recorded prices that the county is going to show for these real estate listings that you can obtain directly through your real estate agent. That is important to know because a lot of times people get out there, they're under the misimpression because they've been basically played by these AI systems that have been put in place, these different programming algorithms that actually are showing whatever people really want to see to entice them into making some kind of a decision, whether selling or buying. If you're in any one of those fields, make sure that you talk to that local agent and find out exactly where they believe the market is. And then, after they give you their opinion, ask them, hey, can you back that up with data, factual information to send me so I can have a look at it myself? That's best advice. I'm Connor with Honor. We will see you in the next one.